Now, before we start the video for today, I have been trying to post this video for the past 7 months. So, yeah. So, the reason that it took me 7 months is because YouTube wasn't really cooperating with me at all, and it kept saying failed to download, which I did post on my Instagram, which you should follow, like right now. Like, I'ma just sit here for a whole minute and wait for you to follow me on Instagram. Alright? Like, this is disappointing that I have to beg for you to follow me on Instagram. Like, come on, bruh. Come. And finally, after 7 months, it finally wanted to post it. So, yay. Yes! Also, since I recorded this in 2019, that was the year when I didn't have my own laptop. So, the computer that I was using before was very laggy. So, y'all probably gonna be seeing a lot of lag. So, anyways, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, AmpleSword93 here, and welcome back to a strange video. Yes, I said strange. As y'all can see, I am at the airport. The reason I'm at the airport is because I kind of been assigned to a secret mission with a few other people. Yes, I said secret mission. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hop on the plane and I will see y'all there. So let's go. Okay, this place looking cool so far. Hold up. What is that? Okay, well, somebody just died.
Ambulance! Where the ambulance? Why the man body still right?
Welcome everyone. You are probably wondering why I've gathered you guys here.
What the?
I'm the Robloxian States Army General. You can call me General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Yes, sir. Or else you'll be expelled from the team. I do not want that, sir. No, sir. Now please take a seat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not trying to get in your bad side, sir. Okay, sir? Alright, sir. Oh! Somebody just got expelled.
Call the damn ambulance!
Let's get to the point. Is our target. His name is Ronald. Okay. To be honest, this man looks more like a Dave to me. We have investigated and all we know is he is a dangerous Robloxian. What did he do? That is where we are headed. I can see where this is headed. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Why? But why? Oh no, everybody in that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. What are his intentions though? Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. Okay? We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. Okay? But how will we get to the plane? That's exactly what I'm thinking. Good question. Follow me. Okay. Where are we going? tell me that's enough. This is by far the biggest elevator I've seen in my life. General, you can fit like 100 people in here. At least 100 people. Everyone ready? Yes? Going down. General, sir, why does the elevator sound like a vacuum?
Handle. I must say, it is very, very light. Oh, right. Let's see if it's going to work.
Okay, not gonna lie, this place is pretty cool. That is how we're going to save the airplane from Ronald. That makes sense. We're gonna use an airplane. Why didn't you just tell us that? Why? You could have just told us that when we were up in the room. Why are you just trying to be so cryptic? No one is leaving this place without a military suit. Wait, hold up. Guys, don't even trip. This whole suit looks clean on you. Facts! Looking good. See? Even the general knows what's up. Alright? Now, let's check the system. Okay. Checking the plane. Sir? You're just smacking air. Not enough fuel. Oh no, it looks like we don't have enough fuel. General, fire your co-workers. Because who knows that they're going on a mission and doesn't prepare for it? This is a fuel nozzle. There are 4 of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. No. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. Nah, see, the thing is, General, why didn't you... Okay, never mind. You know what? At this point, I'm not even about to question it anymore. This man has an entire parkour set for his gas pumps. Well, I'm not even about to question any of this. And there we go. The rest of my teammates are doing the rest of the work. See, like, what is the point of this? Like, you're having us do this whole type of parkour, and for what? For what? I am already done with this, General. Fill in the tank now.
One eternity later.
Ah, now we are ready. We should have been ready 15 minutes ago. Because that's how long it felt like. For real. I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. Fire him! Fire him! He didn't even remember about the fuel. He'll be our pilot throughout this mission. Nope! Get him out of here, Coach. The system is ready, General. It should have been ready! Please start the engine. Yes, please start the engine so we can all get to our mission, Pilot. Starting the engine. Please do. Engine's ready. Opening back door. I'm done. I'm done. So you mean to tell me everything in this place sounds like a vacuum? I throw a rock on the ground, it sounds like a vacuum. I stop my shoe, it's a vacuum. Wait, is that a teddy bear? Why is a teddy bear here? Okay, I'm holding a teddy bear now. Who just left their teddy bear here? Was there like another guy on the mission that just accidentally forgot their teddy bear? Good luck, soldiers. We are now flying in the kidnapped plane's direction. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. Okay? There is something about this Ronald guy. Well, what about him? At first sight, he looks like a good person. Sir, lots of people look like good people. They just bad. Nowadays, people just be bad. General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Oh. Here, everyone have a banana. Huh. So now we have a generous general. Okay. I've never seen a general act like this before. You might need the energy for later. Good, because I didn't eat breakfast. Wait! Don't eat the bananas. It's poisoned. So you tell me I'm about to die? After what I just been through? I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. That's not funny. That is not something to joke around with, General. See, even my boy agrees with me. I'm sorry. I just had to. No, you didn't. No, you didn't have to. Anyways, we'll be flying for a few more hours. Might as well chill or take a nap. Okay. It's night. It's night? It looks like we're inside a storm. Don't say. Oh my goodness! General, we were struck by lightning. Our right motor is in critical danger. Shouldn't we be falling right now? I mean, I'm not complaining. It's just... does that mean we will die? I feel like we should be dying right now. Okay, everyone, chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. It's a whole thunderstorm. Why? How are we about to cover you? With the umbrella? Terrible idea. Oh my goodness. We for real out here. On the top of the plane. This is so scary. Yep. I mean, it's not like we're on the top of an airplane. One wrong move from falling over tens of thousands of feet. Yeah, that's not scary at all. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. What am I, omniscient? How am I supposed to know where to... oh. Okay. Oh. Is this how it's supposed to dodge the lightning? Oh, this finna be a breeze. Oh. I probably just jinxed myself. Alright. The motor is fixed now. Wait, how did you fix it? How did you fix the motor? What tools did you use to fix it? Because I want to know. I'm just curious, alright? Oh! What is that? Bro. Why am I seeing sands right now? Burn. Oh my goodness. Open the door. Pilot, open the door. Open the door! Oh my gosh. Is it too late for me to leave? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you're talking about. The giant skeleton! My boy, are you blind? You didn't see no skeleton. Go get some eye surgery then. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We are almost there. General, we are finally here. It felt like 5 hours. Perfect. Everyone pay close attention. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. Are you sure they didn't just lock the back door for safety reasons? So somebody that wouldn't, like somebody that's stupid wouldn't just jump out? But, okay. Good luck, soldiers. I wish myself good luck too. This is it. We are in the plane. Okay. It looks like Ronald covered... Wait, hold up! How did he cover the board from the outside? I wanted to do this my whole life. What, fly a plane? Bro, all you have to do is take plane class. Whatever you want to call it. Check the storage. See if you can find anything to open this door. I'm not moving until you explain to me the fact that this man Ronald boarded the door from the outside. Oh, somebody found him. Okay. It's over, Ronald. How did you get here? How did you board the door from the outside? That's what I'd like to know. So we just let him walk in the... There's no time to go after him. We had plenty of time to go after him, actually. We need to save everyone on the plane first. Good point. Good point. Untie everyone before our time runs out. Gotcha. There you go. Boom. Boom. There we go. Boom. Boom. And boom. And boom. General, I inform you, all the noobs are now safe in the aircraft. Great. But there's still one left. Alright. Wait, hold on. Are we saying that the captain is also a noob as well? Is that what we're saying right now? This is it. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Who wants to be the hero? Me? Step in front of the captain's door. Me? I will do it. Because I have a way of talking with people. Alright, we trust your input. Ronald, open this freaking door right now before I bust down and break your head open. That actually worked. Let me think of something. Ronald, listen to me. Let the captain go. Alright? You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. What are you doing anyways? Alright, it doesn't matter. Listen to what I'm going to say. It's over. It's over, man. You kidnapped everybody. You're going to jail, man. You're going to jail. It's too late for that. What are you talking about? Well, we just failed the mission. There's no time. The plane is about to explode. What did he do? Take this parachute. Okay. The general. What about Ronald and the captain? What type of dumb question was that? Do you not see the room literally on fire? We need to leave or we'll not make it out alive. Oh my goodness! When did this happen? See what happens when you ask dumb questions? The back emergency door is open. We need to get there and jump. Alright, well I'm dipping. I'm out. Frick this. Frick the mission. Frick Ronald. Frick all this. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Woo-wee. I don't see anybody else. Don't tell me I'm the only one that made it. Please don't tell me I'm the only one that made it. Oh! Well, now you know he did. Am I for real the only person alive? For real. Wow. I'm the only one that survived. Everybody else got exploded. Exploded? Is that a word? Okay. Well, oh, look at him over there getting down. Anyways, general, other general, of which I do not know the name of. We kind of failed the mission. Ronald got a lighter and just lit the whole plane on fire. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay, General Poncho's life. He's all I care about right now. General Poncho, we're glad everyone made it back. My entire squadron is dead. What do you mean we're glad everyone made it back? Not everyone. We lost the captain and Ronald. Them two. Them two. It's a shame we lost the captain. Who is this? Teddy bear. Hey girl. You want this? Hey little girl, I brought you this teddy bear because I just found it sitting down at the base for no apparent reason. Thank you. It's just the one my dad gave you. I will always remember him like the great captain he was. Oh, he was the captain. R.I.P. to the captain. When I grow up, I will be a captain just like him. And I promise, I will protect the whole world from bad guys like Ronald. That's nice. That's nice. That's great. I really hope you do. Anyways, what's your name? My name is Kelly. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry that this thing took me so long to post. It's just, YouTube was just, it was just being very, it was just being very rude at me. That's how I'm just gonna put it. I was gonna post this last Saturday, but I was out with my family and we're just having fun. I enjoyed myself. With this coronavirus going on, you really want to have some fun around with people. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this episode, video, whatever the freak you want to call it. I don't care. If y'all did enjoy it, remember to slash that like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to tap that bell to turn on notifications so you know when the rest of my videos come out. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.